Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Yammi. I know, I'm corny, what can I say? But today I am making Tastefully Simple Sunny Lemon Pound Cake. But I'm not making the pound cake. I'm making these lemon and blueberry bars. That's right here. I went on the website and looked up the recipe, and they have I couldn't believe how many recipes they have on there. I mean, this one box you can make, I think it had to have been 30 different recipes that you can use with this. So I like that, because I mean, otherwise I would have just made the pound cake, but I read the back and I'm like, ooh. So I got blueberries. Why not? Why not, right? I think Boo will like it. So I'm just getting everything together. And once I have everything together, I'll take you guys over there and we'll get started. All right, there's two packages that came inside there. One is for the pound cake, the other one's for the icing. Packet one is what we're using now, and I just put the dry mix in there. I have to put, what is it that I have to put? 3/4 cup of butter and an egg. And melted butter. And I already melted my butter, as you can see. So let's go. All right, so we need 3/4 cup of butter melted. And an egg. Now I'm supposed to take a fork and mix it all up until it's nice and crumbly. And this is a shout out to Becky Stacy. Thank you very much for the invite to your party and the suggestions on doing this for the channel. So this video is dedicated to Becky and Kevin Stacy. We'll put Kevin in there too. But all right. Well, it's not crumbly. I'm supposed to take a 1/2 cup. Ooh. All right. 1/2 cup set to the side. Move that to the side, and then go over my baking sheet, which is a 9 by 13, and I'm spraying it with Baker's Joy. It has flour in with it, so it really helps to keep things, baked goods, from sticking. All right, and now we have to take the mix it down in there, good to the last drop, and we have to spread this out in a 9 by 13 pan, which that's what this is. So don't be afraid to get your fingers dirty. Okay, let's see. Wash the hands, the greasy hands. so now that we've done that, the next part would be to sprinkle with blueberries. Okay. Oh no, I was supposed to add chocolate chips in with that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a layer of chocolate chips on the bottom. That's not enough yet. All right, there you go. That should be good. Boom. Okay, then once we do this, I gotta top it with the blueberries. It's 6 ounces. I'm not sure. I know I got more than 6 ounces here. Nothing wrong with a few extra berries, huh? Here we go. All right. Then I have to take the leftover crumble, which is more doughy. It's not crumble. And I'm gonna mix that with some pecans, but they want them chopped. Mine are kind of like pieces, but it's not chopped. I throw them in a bag. You can take a mallet, a dough roller. You can do whatever you want to make it in pieces, but just put it in a baggie and beat down on it until you have little pieces. So mix that in there with it. We need a 1/2 cup of coconut. Or a 1/4 cup of coconut, sorry. Put some coconut in there. I need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Boom. Make something fall. And then oats, a 1/4 cup of oats. Boom. Take your fork and mix this all around. This should get nice and crumbly. I have a dough cutter blade, but it's packed up, which I'm gonna go through there. We're gonna unpack. We're just gonna stay put where we're at for at least another year and see what the price is and what kind of craziness is going on in a year. Then we'll start looking again in a year. Everything just went so crazy here. Alright, so done all that. We're gonna sprinkle this back over top of this. Gonna spread it around myself here. This looks so good. I could eat it. All right. Ooh, that was pretty tasty so far. All right. Now we're gonna have to bake this. $30 to 35 minutes. So let me go get it in the oven and we'll get it baking. All right, after 30 minutes in the oven, look at it. Nice and crispy. Now it's time to make the rest of it. Butter did not melt, so I got to microwave it. Okay, packet number 2, I'm just going to throw it in a small bowl. Going to take the water, dump it in with the butter. Take that and pour that into there. And we'll just mix this around until it's all combined. Okay, getting all the lumps out. Oh wow, that glaze has a little bit of a lemon flavor to it too. Ooh. Now I'm going to drizzle it. Alrighty, good to the last drop. Now we gotta let it cool and then we can cut it. So this will be our dessert tonight. Let's see how it tastes. I think it's gonna taste really good because this stuff tastes good separately. So, all right, we'll let it cool. Be back. All right, I put a small piece out. Ooh. You can eat yours.
It's ready for me to eat it. It's ready for me to eat it.
Well, you better eat it.
I'm gonna eat it. Is these blueberries?
Yep.
I like blueberries. Blueberries like me too, honey child. Sweetberry. Is there coconut in this too?
Yep.
It's good.
Do you taste the lemon?
The only thing it's missing is some milk. No, there's lemon yet. Hold on, let me get a bigger bite. Yeah, now I taste it. I taste it now.
Not too bad for a pound cake, huh?
There's nuts in there, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Some oats in there.
A pound cake?
Mm-hmm. This is supposed to be a pound cake.
Well, call me late and call me crazy, because I just know now I'm going to be lazy.
What? Oh my goodness.
What?
You are so weird.
No, it's Friday.
And it's not the 13th either. So, good?
Mm-hmm.
Can you taste that butter?
How much of this did you make?
I made the whole kit up.
But there's more of this left, right?
Yeah,
Like
there's
a
a
lot.
9x13 pan out there. Oh, is it gone?
Is there milk in the refrigerator?
Yeah.
And it's nice and cold?
Yeah.
So yes, it'll be gone.
Yeah, I find it very tasty. Especially when you get a little bit of the crispiness on the top. But you can taste that butter. You know, butter makes everything better.
Would you put a whole stick of butter in here?
3/4 of a cup. Stick and a half is in the whole thing. That's what it calls for.
Oh my goodness.
It is. That's what it called for, all that butter.
Mama, make sure it is.
Plus 2 tablespoons, so yeah.
Man. Obi looking like, where is his at?
Obi, you upset? Yeah, he mad. Daddy took his toy away. He wasn't playing nice. Don't play nice, you get it. All right, guys. Thank you, Becky. Oh, for suggesting this.
Thank you, Becky.
Yeah, Becky, thank you. We're loving this. I got the almond pound cake left. I'll have to see what I make with that. But I'll take you guys along. All right, guys. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here. And I love you all. Bye.
Bye.